Hello, how's everyone doing? Today we will be showing you how to explore certain clubs and organizations on campus. My name is Harry. I am currently interning for the Office of Student Involvement and specifically within the RCO division. And when we open up CatLife, this is the homepage. This is what we should see as soon as we click on the CatLife link. And if we want to further explore clubs and organizations and see perhaps the most comprehensive list, we would like to go into the organizations tab on top. So let's go ahead and click on that. As you all can see, over here on the right, we have a pretty comprehensive list right here. As you all can see it as well, we have currently 215 clubs and organizations registered on campus. So what do you do if you have a specific club or organization in mind? Right here, we click on the search tab. And for example, I'm in a fraternity as well. I'm in Kappa Sigma. So let's go ahead and look up Kappa Sigma. As you guys can see, it is right here, straightforward. You know, the search result should pop up. Works just like a Google search. Now, what happens if you don't really have the exact idea of which club and org you want to look into? Well, that's what this category section is for. So if you have a general direction of where you want to go, we can go ahead and click on this tab. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of, various categories and different types of clubs and orgs available. For example, if I want to click on, let's see, leadership and community service. Right here, it says in the filters, there's two selected. And this is a pretty good list of all these different clubs and organizations that fits this type of criteria. Let's see. Let's just click on random one right here. American Red Cross Club at UC Merced. As you guys can see, there's a pretty clear description on what this club and organization do and what they represent, what their pillars are. American Red Cross Club at UC Merced provides opportunities to make a meaningful impact in the university and community by addressing its greatest needs and developing leadership skills. That fits pretty much all the descriptions I entered. And let's see. Right here, we have a contacts tab. That means if we click on this, we can go ahead and shoot them a quick message and perhaps a question even on what this club and organization does and how they operate. If we go back here, we can also see this is their direct contact email. And if we scroll down here, we can see all the events that they might have upcoming and their officers involved. So a lot of organizations will have this join tab available. If we click on this, it will show different clubs and organizations our intent to become a member, and we would join the prospective members list. When you actually are involved in this club and organization, you can see all the type of people that want to become a prospective member, and you can go ahead either approve them or deny them. And there's also a gallery of their past experiences, tabling stuff, everything. So that was just a quick overview on how to find certain clubs and organizations you might be interested in on campus. Thank you guys for listening to this video, and I hope this information helped you all, and we will see you in the next one.